Welcome to this Cake and Candles Fast Fridays card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this quick and easy card. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out this banner design on your card. Apologies for the poor quality of the video here, but the kind of crystal clear, nice template cutout there on the right shows you what you want to end up drawing on your card. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, simply switch over to your darker black pen and outline the banner. A really easy way to customize this card would be to simply change the colors that you're using. I chose to use a black gray color. This actually is a really dark gray, but it's showing up more black here for the outside of the banner. And then I switched over to a teal color for the lettering. And once you have the banner complete, all you need to do is simply take your second color. Like I previously mentioned here, I'm using a really pretty teal color in the same Faber-Castell pens. I love these pens. I use them for almost all of my cards. I find they're great for lettering or outlining things, and they're really great as an all-purpose pen, and they come in a whole wide variety of colors. And simply just trace over the cake and candles lettering that you'd previously drawn. And once you have the lettering complete, I just took an eraser and removed some of the remaining pencil lines. They don't show up here on camera, but there were a few that were still visible, and so I just quickly removed those with an eraser. And once you've done that, this simple, fast, and easy cake and candles card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this quick and easy card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.